In this activity, we are going to look at the rotator cuff. Here's the rotator cuff on our small arm models. There are 4 muscles in the rotator cuff. This is the anterior view, so the biceps are here. This is the subscapularis. It's making up the subscapular fossa. On the posterior view, this is the acromion. That's the spine of the scapula. Here is the supraspinaeus. It's in the supraspinaea fossa. This is the infraspinaeus. It is in the infraspinaeus fossa. Then we have the teres minor hiding out down here. So if I scroll up here, we have the supraspinaeus, infraspinaeus. Then the teres minor is that one hiding out, number 14. Did I just accidentally give you the answers to that activity? Oh well. So then we can't forget the teres major. I like that one better than the teres minor. So it's there. So what you are going to do is you are going to go to an outside. So this is the same arm. This is the view I think I sent you to because it had a teres minor somewhere on it. So go through all 4 views. So we have lateral, anterior, posterior, and then this is the medial view. So then what you're going to do, go to your lab book, fill out what these muscles are here. 6, 7, and 10 are arm muscles. See if you guys can figure it out. Hint, you could probably figure it out going to those mouse over models. And then write the model number somewhere. So on that website, let's say you are going to, number 10 was one of them. That is the long head of the triceps brachii. Did I just give away one of those other muscles? So you would, if long head of the tricep brachii is one of the ones you're looking for, you would write triceps number 10. So it's similar to what we did. There's just no space for writing it. So that's our 2 minutes instruction video. Thank you. Have a good day.